Hey guys, it's Paul from Keyless Shop here in Lansing, Michigan. Today we got a 2013 Buick. Customer came in. Very common issue with these GM keys. The buttons will either fall through or it just starts peeling off. Stop by the Keyless Shop. We can get you a new key cut up. And we'll get it programmed for you as well. As long as you have one working key for a GM, very simple to program them. You take the already programmed key, you're going to put it in the ignition, turn it to the on position, look for that security light right there. Wait for that to turn off. Take that key out, grab your new key, put it in the ignition, turn it to the on position, look for the security light to go off. Security light goes off, just turn the key off. Test the functions. Make sure everything works. Lock, unlock. Then we'll go ahead and start it up with the new key. Again, we're going to look for the security light. Make sure the security light turns off. There we go. Key's programmed. 2013 Buick. Come see us at the Keyless Shop in Lansing, Michigan. Until next time, see you later.